What's up, T&S family? We're back with another vlog. So family, we are on our way to church. It is currently a Sunday and the first day of this is awkward. The first day of daylight saving, honey.
Oh.
And we were meant to go to the gym today.
Yeah.
That was a fail. We were meant to go gym and go to church from there, but did your alarm go off? Or?
Yeah.
Yours did.
I kept doing the old snooze. And then like I was like, oh no, we've got heaps of time. Nah. No.
Wait for this sun. We were meant to go to the gym and go off to the gym from there. Sorry, this sun is, wow, thank you Jesus. Blinded, I can't even open my eyes. We were meant to go to the gym to church, but then we ended up sleeping in, and then we just got ready at home. Oh my goodness, please Lord, let my eyes be open. Oh, the sun is crazy, guys. What would we say? One of the church girls is holding a Biggest Loser challenge, and I've entered it. So please, family, vote for me to win. That jokes. Hopefully I win because I'm so competitive like that. Oh, put me under the shade. Yes, because I'm so competitive like that. I hope I win. I hope yous hope I win. So yeah, I'm strictly on this like hard out diet, and my honey here has been just supporting me. So this morning, family, I'm having a juice.
Juicy.
Last night I went to sleep really hungry, really hungry, just saying. And so yeah, that's what we usually that's what we will be doing on Sundays, is trying to get back into going to the gym for a morning sesh and then heading to church from gym. Because oh, and if you are wondering, oh my gosh, we have not seen them with morning devotion. We put that on hold because of our church renovation, so we don't know when our church renovation ends. They've just given us, family, I'm talking to you with my eyes closed. So they're giving us 2 months. Honey, is that right? 2 months?
I think it is, yeah.
Yeah, like 2 months. So we won't be back in church maybe like December. We don't know, maybe even January. And they're just fixing up the whole bit. So our actual church is done. The carpet has been changed. The stage has, oh my, the stage is like, the stage is done, all of that. And family, I'm so sorry. I think we're gonna have to reshoot this. This sun is so bad, like I can't even open my eyes, and like I feel like that's so rude to talk to you like that. We'll talk to you when we get to school.
A few moments later.
So we just rocked up to church, and we always set up our stuff. I'm pretty sure we said it in the other vlogs. We set up our stuff. Well, the band comes, to set up the band stuff. We help Pastor set up the chairs, get everything ready, sound check, and then we have a little bit of time to go through our song list, boom, and then our service, and then we will
repack everything back up. So the reason for this vlog is we wanted to just let you guys see what we usually do on a typical Samoan Sunday, and we will be vlogging throughout this day so you can be with us, know what we do, why we're always busy, and yeah, let's get into this vlog.
your house and you're now into the house of God. Yes, okay, so now I just got put on the spot to do fuck I love this morning. I pray God blesses wherever Melody is today, and wherever she is, she was meant to be. Thank God now opportunity, because now I'm going to tell you about where I've been. The past 3 Sundays I haven't been here with you guys. I've been here. I was in America, and in America, it's a lot different to our lifestyle here in Australia. And there was one thing that I realized in America. They do this thing where they stomp on their feet like this, and then they wave their hands like this, and whatever song it may be, it's just like that. And we see it all on YouTube. I mean, so right now, I want to bring the black spirit here, and I invite you all to stand. If you want to stand up, I pray that you worship God freely. But if you watch me today, I want to show you how the black people do in America.
wondering where the hell has this child been? He's been in America. Do you have an accent?
Yeah, guys, so the parties there was so good.
Oh, the party?
Yeah, the parties, the people.
Where did you go?
We went Walmart.
Oh, they went Walmart.
Mickey D's. We also went to Hollywood.
They did, and they went to Vegas. They went to San Francisco. They went to the border of Mexico.
Yeah.
Who are these people?
I was a fan from America. Like, seriously. Like,
seriously though.
nah, seriously, man. T&S fam is where it's at.
Hashtag T&S family.
Let's go.
What should they do?
You should like, comment, share, and subscribe.
So we are home right now. Came home to get changed. Yo, look, my honey here is looking like a bright sun. But we came home to get changed. We are going to go have lunch with our sister, me and Tari's sister Bowen, as well as Kathy and Willie and the children. Lavon was meant to come. Girl, you wait. Look at our group call over here picture. She'd be sleeping and all, family. So let's go. Let's hope that Lome meets up with us after as well. With Jay and Sai, we'll see. But yeah, family, your girl is hungry. Anyways, I wanted to show you, she was being shy at church, but I wanted to show you what Kris is wearing. She been looking so cute. You've been looking cute and oh yes, girl.
I can't really see.
Oh wait, let me go this way. Go again. Model. Turn, girl. Get it, girl. Get it.
What's going on, T&S family? It's your boy coming back with a double chin. Oh my god, it's been a long time. But yeah, hope you guys have been well. And yeah, more vlogs, more videos are coming soon your way. Okay, yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at that girl over there.
Look at that snack.
Look at that. We are snacking. Snacking.
This healthy cafe. I'm not quite sure if I like this idea coming here, but I had to come. I had to come or no eat at all, and I wanted to eat. Cat. She had. What did you have?
I had a chicken burger with green salad.
Oh, girl. Candy, do you like it? She likes the chicken, but not that. Meanwhile, these two are still fighting. Okay. I think I'm with Candy on this one. I don't like the food and I don't like the juicy one. Candy, we're the same. Yeah, she ate only the chicken. Yeah, I don't like sweet potato.
Now, next minute we get to BJ and we're like ordering fish and chips.
What did you get?
Outside bowl.
Outside bowl. Yeah, that.
Just looked up there.
Can I have that one? I know. It looks really nice.
Honey, what did you get?
Steak, rice, and burger.
Oh, I got a big breakfast because I'm big and I'm hungry. What did you get, Sass?
A chicken burger.
And she didn't get fries on the side, which is that.
Ew.
Sweet potato.
Yuck, I don't eat.
She doesn't like sweet potatoes. Ungrateful.
No.
Do you know what ungrateful looks like? Yeah. This.
Me and Candy.
This and this. No, Candy ate her chicken at least.
I'm gonna eat my burger.
So it's currently 3:01 and we usually just catch up. We usually come meet up with Bowen after church because sometimes he comes to church, sometimes he doesn't. And we go lunch with Kat and Will as well. And we've decided to, because Kat and I actually are on the Biggest Loser challenge, we've decided to eat healthy today and we came to NU. How do you say NU? It's NU. Yeah, we decided to come to NU and then after we are going to the beach, but the weather's not looking good. Guys, Kat says she's full. This is Bowen.
It's my daily routine.
And this is Willie's.
Nice. Wow.
It's got peanut butter in it. Dig in. Okay, Bowen. Both of you. 3, go, Will. 2, 1.
Wow. So nice.
Cold? Look at Willie's face. Look at his face. I can't look at his face. Bowen. Oh yeah.
Boo!
Having a rest.
You just had one bite. You're having a rest.
See, digesting.
Will's face was saying something else.
Really healthy.
Man, this one's Kris got.
Big burger?
Oh, him. Thank you.
Yes, you baby. What'd you get?
Big breakfast.
Oh, big breakfast. How's the food, guys?
Interesting.
Healthy, huh?
I'm eating Bowen's.
Bowen didn't even finish his food.
I'm eating the fruit.
You eating the fridge?
Sorry guys, we forgot to vlog our food, but Tuxx had like a steak and rice with mushrooms.
Yeah.
And I just got big breakfast.
Big breakfast or
Well, no words can describe how the food is.
yeah. How about you, Kat?
I liked it.
You liked it? You know, as long as you liked it, you know, it doesn't matter about us.
Me and Sera liked it.
As long as you like your food, it doesn't matter about us.
Do you like it? I do like the fruits.
I love it. Go, we got truffle.
That's just slippy in the neck.
Guys, I recommend let's get this when he's coming out.
Just get water and then go outside. Sorry.
To be honest, eh?
To be honest, lima onga lea. What did you say? Oh, did you hear that, T&S family? Look, just for the snaps. Did you hear that?
Yeah, make me look.
How?
There's no Photoshop on this one. Yo,
Wait, do I look skinny like this? What page
sister,
should I
you're
do?
telling me to make
I am sucking it. Not too much.
You're the worst photographer,
You gotta grab the paint and then paint like curve this. Or do cut picture. Cut or something.
or something.
Or just don't take a picture at all until you're skinny.
Until progress photos, eh?
He thinks he can talk. He's
Yeah, I
gone so fat
know.
himself.
He used to be so skinny.
Well, see, that's what I thought.
He used to be so skinny.
Bro, I'm on the rise, bro. I'm on the
No,
rise.
you fat. Progress photo.
She orders big breakfast, comes with veggies, she grabs it like this. She grabs it like this.
Sarah,
And puts it
come
to
on.
Tuxx. puts it into Tuxx, and then
He said
you
he
know
got
what?
big breakfast.
What, bro?
Say something! Say something!
Says I don't got anything.
Talk about Steve, talk about Steve.
Yeah, your teeth are so yellow.
Yellow.
And his gums are black.
And you have seeds in your thing.
Wow, you know TNS family, find someone that can take your jokes.
If you're fat, it's alright.
If no one can take your jokes, what's the point of like living, bro? Straight up.
If you're big, if you're skinny, whatever size you are accepted.
Yeah, accepted. Hey,
Guys, don't take this seriously. We joke like this.
No, Bowen's just like that because he's fat.
No, family,
hey,
seriously.
but let's talk about the camera girl.
No,
She's trying to lift up my offer to expose my fat.
Guys, seriously, don't take this seriously. We're just joking.
Move back.
It's all jokes.
All jokes.
Yep.
All jokes. We're not
All jokes
serious.
aside.
We love each other.
Yep.
I can handle
Sorry,
this.
sorry. Big, small, this girl, big,
Big breakfast, okay.
big breakfast. She orders probably 2
It was not small. It just
Wait.
a big breakfast.
Nah,
That's what I got.
It wasn't even big. It was
wasn't big.
small.
But shout out to new our new sponsors. That's our sponsor.
Yeah, so
We'll put their link below.
put the link below right there.
You only use what ingredients do you only use?
Healthy stuff.
Only healthy.
Hey, if someone asks you about the food, is it good, is it bad? All you say is healthy. Okay?
Healthy is the main.
Hey, did you just go in there?
Yeah,
How was the food?
you're really healthy.
Oh, okay, bye.
Bye. Hey, what the hell? You look good. Just eat that.
Oh my goodness, guess what? The food was so healthy.
Oh.
You know
Let's
what?
go again.
You look
Come
like
to
you
me.
haven't aged up. That's it.
Oh. Well, if I advertise me,
Anyways, if you like this video, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Lighting.
Family, we see you.
Hi,
Ria.
Hi, Ria. Love you, sister.
Hello.
Maria Valta, are you guys part Tongan?
No, Lanston is.
I'm part Spanish.
Yeah, that
He's not.
counts.
He's full Samoan. Tari taku galan,
Raro Tongan.
but Lanston's top half.
Can I get like 3 fries, large Big Mac combo? Yep. Can I get Sprite for the drink? Make sure it's super size.
You want a can or super size?
Yeah, super size. Yeah. The biggest you have.
Biggest can.
Can I get 3-pack fish and chips meal with like 2 crab cakes,
A few moments later.
2 sausages? Can I also get like 5 steamed dim sims and like 3 can of cokes? Oh, I've got my wallet.
Do you want to be?
You want to be on top? Top? Top?
What's good, family? So we're still at the beach. It is 5:20. 5:20. Oh no, that's the old time. 6:20. So it's actually 6:20 p.m. We're just chilling out. Kathy and Sera, Kris and the little girls went for a walk in the water, but since I got my brother Jay here, he just came back from America, as we would have told you, I think at church. And I just asked Jay if he could just tell the family, because I know we got a few T&S family members from America. Just tell us probably what was your best thing about America.
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 So you know guys, we left on the 14th of September. So we went to, we first landed in LA in California. Yeah. So my favorite part was Vegas.
Vegas.
You know, we went to Vegas and there's a street there, it's called Fremont Street. And there's a zip line where you go through the mall and the whole shopping street, and you just sling through, you know. And me and my brother, we decided to do that. And yo, that was the best part. I was only there for 2.5 weeks and I already got the accent. It's impossible, right?
Yeah, man.
With God, all things are possible.
Well, that's it.
And I just went back to my Australian accent, so.
So yeah, guys, he's actually Australian.
I will choose Vegas over Hollywood. Vegas over San Diego.
Damn.
California is massive.
San Diego, yeah, true, you went there.
Yeah.
They got a big Polynesian base there.
No, I think more Mexican because it's right at the border.
Oh, right.
Facts. Right at the border.
Right on the border. See, you learn something new every day. I didn't know that. But yeah, through God's mercy and His grace.
Yes.
You learn things every day.
Knowledge is power.
That's it. Knowledge is power. So don't be a fear poco. Nah, sweet ass. Thanks, Jay. I was gonna ask George, but my brother Jordan here, he's a bit shy. You still want to share with us also? You?
Oh no, I'm good.
Oh man, what's in this fam? I'm sure you can tell us a few stories over there.
Okay. The best thing there was I went to a high school football game.
Oh snap!
And it's better to go in person than watch it live.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, they have bands. It's real.
Damn. Well, like drumline.
Yeah, they have drumline bands. They have cheerleaders jumping everywhere. And yeah, you should go watch it. And stand up for the anthem too.
Oh wow, take a knee.
Yeah. That was the best thing.
There we go. So thanks George for sharing with the T&S fam. See you guys in a little bit. I think we're gonna go and have some fish and chips, but I'm not too sure. Thank you for bringing me to the beach. Our fam, I think you can see Sera, Jay, and Christine. Alright, so family, I don't know if this audio might be a bit choppy because it's a little bit windy, but it's nearly time to eat, and I'm just coming down to make sure our family, it's time to come down and eat the fish and chips while it's hot and ready. So yeah, beautiful day here. Beautiful day. I mean, Altona's not the greatest beach, but it's good enough. Montage. I came to get you guys. Yeah, so family, today is our Sunday vlog. Usually in the summer, this is what we get up to, like all the time.
Stay here late.
And like our whole family's here, not just us.
Yeah.
And then you've got like this
even
whole
your
beach.
family.
Yeah, even my family, and even their family. And then, yeah. Going off. Having so much fun, guys.
I'm so mad. Okay family, so we're gonna end our vlog here. We're off home. Thank you so much for joining us through this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog.
Please stay blessed and make sure you keep on keeping on. Tuxx and I love you. And if you like this vlog, what should you do? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, family.